Here's how to create a registration form in a few minutes. Go to Registration Magic and then All Forms. From the All Forms dashboard, click on New Form. Then name the form as the registration form. You can name the form as per your needs. Make sure to uncheck the Turn off user registration for this form. Click in Save. Now the new registration form is created and appears in the form dashboard. Next, we will add fields to the form. For that, click on the Fields option inside the form card. By default, the username, password and email fields are added. We will add two new fields that are mobile number and address. Click on Add Row and select the single column and save. Then click on Add Field option and select the mobile number field. Label it as a mobile number and click on Add to Form. Next, let's add an address field. If you want, you can skip this field altogether. Click on Add Row, then Add Field and select the address field. Label it as Address and then Add to Form. Once the fields are added, go to All Forms. From here, copy the shortcode and paste it onto the new page. Here's how the registration form looks like. Simple, isn't it? If you want to add more fields or remove the existing ones, you can do it from the Fields option of the form card. Please like, share and subscribe.